Want to handle support requests like a pro? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up Ticket Tool in your Discord server. Like and subscribe if you find this helpful. Start by opening your web browser and going to tickettool.x. Click Invite Ticket Tool, select your server and authorize the bot. Now head back to Discord. Click your server name at the top left. Go into server settings, then tap roles. Make sure the Ticket Tool bot role is placed above the member roles, but it can stay under mod or admin roles. Create a new role called support and assign it to your team members. This role will be used to access and manage tickets. Next, create a new category called support by right-clicking on the channel list and selecting Create Category. Then, inside that category, create a channel also named Support. This is where your users will open tickets. Now, go back to the Ticket Tool website and click Manage Servers. Log in with Discord and select your server. Click Manage, then press Create Panel, give it a name and click Create. In the General section of the panel settings, select your support role under the Support Team option, then hit Save. Go back, click Category and choose the support category you just made. Save again, then click Send, choose the support channel and confirm. A message with the Create Ticket button will now appear in your server. For a cleaner setup, right-click the support channel, go to Edit Channel, open permissions and disable send messages for everyone. This way, users can only open tickets, not chat in the channel directly. Once someone clicks the button, a private ticket channel will be created. Support team members and the user can chat inside. After resolving the issue, the user can close the ticket using the button. That's it. Your Ticket Tool system is now ready to handle support like a pro. Like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials and setup guides.